Okay, we're going to look at question 5 and 6. It says, use the article titled Social Distancing Advice from Astronauts, Experts on Isolation During Coronavirus to answer the following questions. And it says to copy and paste the link, but you can actually just click on it and it'll take you directly to that article. And let's go back and look at the questions. It says, number 5, which of the following is a suggestion from the article about what you should do while social distancing? And this gives us a hint to read the last 4 paragraphs on page 2 of the article. Okay, so a suggestion about what we should do during social distancing. So look at page 2 and go to the last 4. Okay, it says, become experts on the thing that is threatening you, he said. Next is to be your own taskmaster. Develop mini missions for every day. On the International Space Station, to-do lists are regimented down to 5-minute intervals for 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. Missions range from fixing a toilet to investigating the subatomic particles of the universe. But at home on Earth, those missions can be as simple as shaving, gardening, or calling a grandparent. You should always have objectives every single day, Hadfield said. What do I want to get done in the next 10 minutes, and what do I want to do in the next hour? So let's look back at the question. Which of the following is a suggestion from the article about what you should do while social distancing? Is it play video games, avoid calling or texting friends, or set mini missions every day? Go ahead and answer that question. All right, now that you've answered number 5, let's look at number 6. Based on the article, how can we avoid loneliness and continue to feel connected to others? And our hint is to read the first 2 paragraphs on page 3. So how can we avoid loneliness? Okay. Then there's the issue of loneliness, the separation from friends and family. While on the space station, Koch said she was able to video chat with family about once a week. But adapting to virtual relationships wasn't just about chatting, she said. Feeling connected meant doing fun things together while apart and sticking to the hobbies she loved back home. When her friends ran a 10-kilometer race one Saturday, she raced with them on a treadmill in space, punching her timer at the same time they left the starting line. She and her crew sent Battle of the Bands challenges to musically talented friends, taking turns covering rock songs with a few instruments they had on the space station. Hadfield, in fact, recorded an entire album from space on his guitar, capturing the most attention for his May 2013 cover of David Bowie's Space Oddity. Let's take a look at number 6. Based on the article, how can we avoid loneliness and continue to feel connected to others? Try doing fun things together, even while apart, exercising, or cleaning. Answer the question, and when you're done with 5 and 6, you can click Submit to turn it in.